everybody. Today I want to tell you how I did learn Patois. So when first I got to Jamaica, I did know English, not perfect, but it was okay. So I could make myself to be understand and so. And only thing I noticed that most people they don't speak English, they just chat Patois with you right away. And that was really a disaster because to me it was like Chinese. I thought I never ever gonna learn this, never. And somehow my friend, she seemed to pick it up a little bit faster, and I always ask her for a translation. I always say, "Can I translate? What did he just say?" And that's how I survived the first couple of months. Then I watched like Lime Tree Lane. Most Jamaicans will still remember that show, so I did love Lime Tree Lane. And I just listened to the show and picked up the phrases and the things what always get repeated like, and just the sound of the language like. And watching news. I mean, in those days we only had like 2 channels in Jamaica, just like in Germany a long time ago we only had ARD and ZDF. It was much different down here. And talking to my friends, first it was only like the ones who came every day, like this guy Cool came like every day, and he always told me, "Gabby, just talk, don't be afraid to talk, just talk." And I was shy, like I always thought, oh, something wrong comes out, so everybody is going to laugh after me, and I was really shy about that. I think it took me about a year, and at least I think it was like a year, and then I started just talking. And it was really fun because I realized really nobody's laughing, nobody not making no fun of me, and I really appreciate that very much. So by visiting friends, going out, and I have to say I mostly was amongst Jamaicans. I never really too much into the tourist areas like, so I live right in the middle with Jamaicans where normal people live, and not in some high society area where only the rich people are. And I think that had a lot to do with it too, that I learned Patois relatively fast. The first words, of course, were the so-called bad words, like the bad words. Also sag ich es jetzt nicht laut, Menago say them out loud. Jamaicans will know what kind of bad words I mean, but they are really useful and helpful, especially if you're new in a country and people really sometimes try to take advantage of you, especially guys, being a girl and all that. They did really helpful. And that's how I learned Patois. So over the years, then later on I started working as a tour guide, which was really interesting because in the beginning they didn't have street signs or the signs from the next town like. So I always had to ask my bus driver, so which town comes next, because I didn't have a clue where the hell I was, and I'm supposed to know because I'm the tour guide. And so we became friends, and thanks to my bus drivers as well, I learned even more Patois. I think I did quite good over the years. Now after 25 years, I think my Patois is kind of okay. I love the language. Even at home we speak Patois. We don't really speak German, hardly. And even at work sometimes I catch myself like me want to say something in Patois, which is really funny too, because my people, they are older generations where I work also, they don't understand Patois at all, and sometimes I just get the looks like, what the hell did Jesus say? And that's basically how I learned Patois. Okay everybody, goodbye for today. Like, share and subscribe. And for all the people who maybe know me from all those tours I went on with you, you can comment below, let me know you are here. And maybe we meet each other again, who knows? Goodbye! Today I want to show you short story cut long. Today I want Hello everybody. Today I want to show you.
Ja, hast du gut gesagt.
Hello everybody. Today I want to show you.
My patois. Punkt. That I learned in just I go with good bloopers.
You know, so many.
Ja, was ist?
Cheers.